Hey guys, it's Liv and welcome to Weekly Liv episode 3. It is Monday today and I am going to have a very productive day. I can just feel it. It is 10 o'clock. I woke up quite late because Corpu and Hazel came home late from their work dinner, so I was up until like 1 because I can't sleep when Corpu's not at home. Like if I know that he's coming home, I want to make sure that he's safe, you know. So I couldn't sleep, so they came home quite late and he was quite merry, so that was funny to deal with. But anyway, we just had to make sure that he was safe and he was asleep, and then I went to bed. So I woke up a bit late, so it's like 10 right now. I just got out of the shower. My plans for this morning, I want to order some protein powder because I've run out and I want to try a new brand. So I'm going to check iHerb, I'm going to check this website called Tropika, and I'm going to find the best deal and pick some stuff up. I've got to, I need to check the tracking on this planner because it's taking so long. I don't really get Amazon tracking. It takes so long to update. I hate tracking stuff from America because it takes so long to update the tracking. Thank you guys so much for the positive feedback so far on the video. I know it only went up yesterday, but I've been having some really lovely comments, so thank you guys so much for your support on the series of vlogs. Can you guys let me know down below the preferred length of weekly vlogs? Like, do you guys like 10 minutes? Do you guys like 20? Do you not mind? Is a mixture good? I'd love to know your guys' thoughts. So my planner arrived. It's arrived like 10 days early or 8 days early or something. So I'm going to go to my parents' place to pick up the parcel because I think I mentioned during Vlogmas, but I get all my packages shipped there because somebody's always home at my parents' house. So I'm going to go there and then I need to go pick up some stuff from dinner. Got a lovely new friend also, which is great. But yeah, and then I guess I'll show you guys the planner once it gets here because I'm super excited to start planning in it. Like, you guys, I just got back from picking up my parcels and I put everything in my Amazon bag so I can show you. The first thing that I got were some face halos, and I picked mine up from Exo Beauty. I'll leave it linked off down below. I do believe that they're out of stock right now, but definitely keep an eye out because they were really inexpensive. I also got some wax beads, which, I mean, I can show you, but they're pretty boring. They just look like this, and I got them from AliExpress. I also bought some nail files, which, I mean, they're so self-explanatory, I'm not even gonna get them out. And then the thing that I'm most excited about, my new planner, which just looks like this. It actually comes in a little plastic container, which is really cool. So the planner itself was $20 American, which is $30 New Zealand, which is a really, really good price. And when I say planner, I do mean journal. There's no layouts in here. You do it all yourself. And like I said, it's by the brand Scribbles That Matter. I think I mentioned this in one of my recent videos. But I am so excited, you guys. I can't wait to start planning out my year. I'm probably going to plan in it by myself and then I'll walk you guys through it, but that will probably be a video of its own. But I just wanted to show you guys that it arrived. Morning guys, it is Tuesday today and I have officially started the wind down or wind up, whichever way you want to say, back to going to school. I have set my alarm for, now this is not an early time, I understand, but I've set it for 8:45. Whereas before I didn't have an alarm. 8:45 is late. I think next week I'm going to switch it to 8, and then the week that I start back at school, obviously it'll switch to my normal wake up time. But I just want to kind of ease myself into it because obviously I'm going to be late because I don't have anything to do the next day, so I can't get up at 7 if I'm going to bed at like midnight, you know. So I'll gradually get back to a normal sleep schedule. But I'm really excited today because I'm going to meet my beginning teacher. I don't know how to explain it to you guys, but I'm basically, this year I've been given the opportunity to be a tutor teacher, which means that it's my job to tutor and help out a new teacher, and she's actually new to our school, so I've never met her before. So today I'm going to meet her for coffee. I obviously won't be vlogging it because I'm not going to be like, hey, nice to meet you, I'm gonna vlog you, to like a brand new person. Last night I started to draw up some spreads in my planner, so today I'm probably going to put the pen to the paper and actually do pen on top because I did it all in pencil. So yeah, I'm really, really excited to get back into planning. I'm really excited to meet my new beginning teacher. She's not really a beginning teacher because it's her second year, but she's considered a beginning teacher. It's hard to explain. But anyway, I'm so excited to meet her and do some planning and get ready for the coming year ahead. Just got back from meeting my BT for this year and I am really, really excited to be working with her. She seems very, very lovely and really excited, so it's making me excited. I'm just doing my long-term planning, so I've got the whole year here, and then if I have like a date come up in April, for example, I can like write it in so that I remember it. Yeah, I like the way that it turned out apart from I don't like the way that April looks. Good morning, it is Wednesday. It's actually nearly afternoon. I've had a late start to the vlog today. I got up, I did some planning in my bullet journal. I was wanting to film today, but I just don't think it's going to work out because I haven't got my bullet journal finished and I don't want to show you guys a half finished bullet journal, but I will try to finish it when I get home. By the way, this is our bedroom and it is really messy because Corpu and I need to do a clothing clear out. We've got so many clothes that we don't wear, so we both need to do that this weekend. So yeah, I'm going to go to the gym. I think I'm going to do legs today. I feel like actually doing a proper workout, so I'm going to do that. And I think that's pretty much all that I've got planned today. I'm sorry that you guys are always seeing so much of this room. This is just my desk, so this is like where I sit 90% of the day. But I got back from the gym a while ago. I forgot to update you guys. After the gym, I went and did some grocery shopping and I bought stuff for like 4 dinners, I think, or 4 dinners, a couple of dinners anyway, because chicken was really cheap at Pack and Save, so I got lots of chicken breast and I got some steaks and some schnitzel. And while I was there, I also bought some stuff for me to make, hold on, my favorite soup. And so I bought it and I made soup and then I ate a bowl and I was like, why the heck did I buy soup? It's summertime. But anyway, I really like this soup. It's just potato and leek. I can show you guys another time. It's not like the world's healthiest soup because it's like carbs on carbs on carbs, because it's like leek, potato, butter, which isn't carbs, so it's pretty much just carbs because of the potatoes. But I think it's relatively clean, that's why I don't mind eating it, but I made enough to last me until Sunday. I had a really good time at the gym. Actually, I didn't really do that much because I actually did buy a guide. Thank you guys so much for all of your comments on my last video. Lots of you said, some of you said not to buy guides, and then some of you said that guides can be good. So I did some research into her guide and some reviews and stuff like that, and it has really good feedback, so I decided to go for it. It was actually a lot more expensive than I thought, but I have some money from Christmas that I got for gifts, so I was like, I may as well buy something that's going to help me rather than spending it on like food or crap, you know, like clothes. Not the clothes are crap, but you know what I mean. It's a Monday to Friday program, so I'm going to start with a fresh new week. Hey, it's Thursday! Did you like that intro? It's pretty sweet. Anyway, hopefully you can hear me over my loud ass dishwasher, but I woke up a couple hours ago. It's 11 on the dot. And it's time for me to start eating and I'm so excited. I have forgotten to intermittent fast every day this week. I'll go and make a meal and then I'm like, damn it, I was supposed to be intermittent fasting. So today I've actually started it right. My toast is in the toaster. I'm having soup for breakfast with toast. So today I think the way that I'm going to work it out is I'm going to do quite like a high carb breakfast because I've got soup and toast, like that's the highest carb you can possibly get. Then I'll try and do low carbs for the rest of the day, and then I'm having rice with dinner. So hopefully it'll all kind of balance out. So this is the soup. It literally looks like baby crap, but it tastes so good. It's potato and leek, and then I've got toast. So yes, I'm gonna watch some bullet journal videos, and then I'm gonna play some WoW. You guys, that soup killed me. I am officially dead from eating all that soup, so it's actually probably quite good because I'll stay full for ages now. I'm just gonna grab my towel. There is my towel. And I'm gonna have a shower, and then I actually decided that I am going to film my New Year's resolutions video. Except I'm not gonna call it a New Year's resolutions video because I hate the idea of New Year's resolutions. And I'll tell you guys all about why I hate New Year's resolutions. And yeah, I'm gonna film that today, so it'll be up. I'll leave it linked off down below because it'll be up before this video. But my hair needs a good wash, which is unfortunate because then I can't film for ages. So I just finished filming my 2018 goals, and I just realized that this piece, like this little bit on my lip here where I've like lost a chunk of skin, looks like a cold sore. So I may need to refilm it. But anyway, I just filmed my 2018 goals. I feel like I might have just said 2018 favorites, but I did my yearly goals video and I really like the way that I explained them all and stuff like that. But like I said, this is probably gonna really piss me off because I don't want, not that there's anything wrong with cold sores, but I don't want people being like, oh, you've got a cold sore, when I don't actually have a cold sore. I just have like the world's most dry lips and a whole chunk of skin is flaked off. So I need to check that before I get comfortable because I may need to refilm. I used the Shane XO Remix palette on my eyes, in case you guys are wondering. I use the pink side, as you can hopefully tell, but I really like these eyeshadows. So yeah, it's 1, so hopefully if I edit this video quickly, I can have it up semi on time, even though it's a day late, but better late than never. Oh, and by the way, yesterday I made these bliss balls. They look really big, because they are really big, but These are so good, and they are full of natural ingredients. I don't think they have anything artificial in them at all. They're basically just lemon, almonds, coconut, shredded coconut, desiccated coconut, either, lemon zest and coconut oil, and some honey. That's it. They're so good. They're really crumbly though. Welcome to Friday, guys. I am feeling so tired today, and you'd think that I'd be saying this at like, you know, 9 AM. No guys, it is like 3, and I have had the slowest start to the morning of my damn life. I woke up at 9, went back to bed at 11 to have a nap, and then woke up again at 2, and I still feel really tired. I don't know why. I kind of think I'm on the verge of getting sick, and don't ask me how, because I've had like 0 interaction with the outside world, so how am I sick? I don't know. But I'm just having one of those days where I feel great, like mentally, emotionally I feel great, but physically I feel super duper tired. So I've only really just in like the last half an hour started doing stuff, but what I'm actually going to do today is I'm going to tackle what I like to call my makeup pile. And this is my makeup pile. I feel like lots of beauty bloggers have these, and this is mine. Welcome to my makeup pile. It's just basically a whole bunch of new makeup, old makeup, and obviously just some stuff from Melbourne that I haven't put away that I'm going to put into my beauty cupboard. And yes, we have a Minecraft backpack. Corpy got sent it from America. Isn't it super cute? But anyway, this is my makeup cupboard. I probably won't be able to open it very much, but yeah, it's where all my makeup lives, so I need to put all of that into there, and then I can move on because this is like killing me. It's clean. Hopefully you guys can see there's no crap there. I do have a little pile down there, but the pile is there because I want to film a drugstore makeup look. I don't have every single new drugstore product, but I do want to do some drugstore first impressions or like a drugstore tutorial, so I need to find like a box that I can put my makeup in that I want to use in videos, because this drawer here is just my everyday drawer, not like a YouTube related drawer, if that makes sense. And yes, I'm wearing the same singlet from yesterday because YOLO. I just went and got changed because I was just sitting here thinking about how I wanted to do this drugstore video tomorrow, and then I thought, why do I want to do it tomorrow when I could do it today? So I'm going to film and I'll talk to you guys in a bit. So I just filmed this look here. I hope that you guys like the way that it looks. If you do, can you let me know, because you guys are the ones that are helping me with my videos. So let me know if you want to see this look. It's using all drugstore makeup. I really like the way that it came out. I'm wearing like a crop with my pajama pants right now because I'm so hot. So I'm going to take some selfies so that I can post a picture of this to the gram. But let me know down below what you think of this look. This is the real me, you guys. It takes like 3 million selfies for Instagram and then puts on a comfy shirt to edit them. And I'm not even wearing a bra. Boom! Don't know what my hair's doing, but I just finished having dinner, and as pretty as this makeup is, and as much as I want to see how long the products last, I'm going to take it off so that I can chill. I'm going to try out my face halo. First things first, this is so much smaller than I thought it was going to be. Like, it's tiny. I don't know why I thought it was going to be bigger, but it like fits in your hand really well. Feels really nice. I haven't wet it yet, but I thought we could do it together. A really good idea if you guys don't want to pay like the full $30 or whatever for it and you just want to try it out, is to find some friends to buy it with you. Like, I got one with my roommate, has one, this is hers, and then we got one with another friend as well, so just a tip. Alright, I'm going to do this half of my face, then we'll see how we go. Oh yeah, it's working really, really well. Holy crap, this works so well. And I'm genuinely not pressing hard, like at all. Wow. The real test, I guess, is how well it gets off mascara, because that's the thing that I always struggle to get off. Yep, that's working really well. Holy guacamole. That is pretty crazy. Hopefully you guys can see the difference. It was just with water, no face products at all. It also took off some swatches on my hand that I had of some liquid lipsticks, and I could not get that off with anything. So 2 thumbs up from me. I would show you too, but I can't. So yeah, I really like it. My skin doesn't feel irritated, it feels really nice. And you know, like lightly hydrated because of the water, so. Hey guys, it's Saturday and it is like 3. I haven't been vlogging today, but so far today we have cleaned out our clothes, hit level 110 on World of Warcraft. And yeah, now we're gonna go and play some Pokemon Go. Hey man. Oh my god. But I'll film what I can with Pokemon Go. It's probably going to be unexciting, but if anything cool happens, I'll show you guys. We were going to go out for dinner, but then we thought, why go out for dinner when your local Indian restaurant delivers? Are you guys pumped? Are you pumped? Once again, it's Sunday, guys, and I have completely forgotten to finish the vlog, so I'm here to say thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this week's weekly vlog. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave me some comments down below. Let me know what you thought of it. I'd also love it if you could leave some questions and topics for me to talk about. It's really hot today, which is why I'm just like wearing a sports bra. But anyway, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys soon with another video. Bye!